Let's practice putting it on first. Do you know how to switch it on?
Do you just press it? Or do you turn
It's
it?
kind of hard to. Yes,
All right, so we're here with another toy review. Today, John has stopped over with his son Jude,
Say hello, Jude.
Hi.
and they're going to be reviewing the. Well, I'll let John say. Go ahead.
The claw.
The claw,
Yep.
made by Kenner,
Yeah,
I believe.
it's Kenner. It's a vintage truck from, what, 19? Let's flip it over.
He's gonna flip this over.
Old.
See if there's a date on here.
It looks fake.
Is it a knockoff?
91. This one was stamped 91.
Cool. So we're talking about like Beetlejuice kind of.
Yeah,
Era.
right around that era.
All right. Cool.
Here we have a complete specimen with all the floodlights, the roll bar, all the decals intact.
Man, it's beautiful.
Excellent graphics, not really abused. I don't think this truck was played with all that much. When the truck is off, it has free-wheeling capability. When it is on, it has a all-wheel drive system with a transaxle that allows the truck to, when it encounters an obstacle and struggles, allows it to open up and dispatch its claws to overcome the obstacle.
This toy is gonna set me back.
Yep. Can't really remember what it retailed for in the big box stores back in the day. But this one here, we picked this up relatively cheap. I think I only paid $25 for it.
Wow, that's it. That's a pretty good price.
A common problem with this though is, of course, it freewheels when it's off, but when the four-wheel drive is engaged and the truck is running, there are plastic parts that can break if the truck is overwhelmed, or I guess if a kid tries to freewheel it while it's running on battery power, which is, I think it's 4, let me see this, Jude, I think it's 4 D cells in the front here. Nope, they're C.
Oh wow.
C cells that go in the front.
Oh, that's cool.
4 of them.
That's how it gets loaded by the
It
front.
goes
By
loaded.
the front fender. Wow, that's cool.
I feel like you should put new batteries in.
Oh, would it pop cheap out on some batteries? Some.
No, what's wrong with the batteries? There's nothing wrong.
Maybe a velvet pass.
What is that? Great value batteries?
Yeah, and this is Equate.
Maroon.
Equate.
Okay, so now there was a predecessor to this truck, wasn't it? In the 80s, there was another Claw or something like that. The Beast. I can't remember it now.
That was the one I had instead.
I'll put a photo right here, right now, what that was.
Yeah,
But
I think it was called the Beast or something, but instead of the clamshell effect of the wheels,
oh yeah, you're right.
there was little trap doors in the wheels, and little paws would come
Like
out.
actual, like
They were rubber.
yeah,
They
okay.
would come out.
They were like barbs. When this
Yeah.
you're saying is like a clamshell, the actual tire just separates like that to give it. Wow. Cool. All right, so now we're going to do some trials for this to see what it can handle.
Yep.
All right, we'll see you in 1 second.
This car
All right, cool. All right, John, start her up.
All right.
What are you waiting for? Yeah, the Switch is kind of bizarre. And this is considered the freewheeling. Right, John?
Yeah.
Right there, like that.
We're gonna see if a car can run over the car.
Okay, so now what's next, Jude? What are we going to run over next?
This very small car.
Okay, let's do that.
So small.
Very small car. Sometimes people refer to them as what? Micro?
Micro.
Almost like a
machines.
micro machine. I was going to say micro car.
Start your engines.
There
Now,
we go.
don't forget, we unfortunately have a broken axle in the front,
Okay.
so we have no action in the front.
Oh, man, no action. We'll get there. I'll hold you guys hostage if I got to. Here we go. Yeah, do it. Salud.
I think the wheel missed it because it pushed it over like that. Better.
Yeah. Go. That sounds cool though.
So close.
Next up is this little Lamborghini.
Oh,
It
that's
looks
gonna
like
be a-
Batman's
That's going to be a
car.
slam dunk, I think.
And John, you were saying this is probably the body is 1/18 scale.
I think it's 1/18 scale because we have another truck that we pretty much pulled apart to get running and we couldn't. The plastic pieces internally were shot. But the body itself does fit on a 1/18 scale radio control car.
And I was thinking at first maybe it's based after a Ford Ranger.
Ford F-150.
Yep, it does look
Pretty
like
much
that.
like Bigfoot.
Cool.
Yep.
All right, let's get this Lamborghini on its way.
Ready? Go ahead.
And once we're done, we're gonna see if we can do every single car.
Right.
We're live.
We're live. Let's start her up.
Oh! Yes! Awesome! Yes! Cool. Alright. Alright, that wraps it up. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good night. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.